Today is a very important day, without a doubt, for the Fine Gael party and for your family, and it's an absolute privilege, and I welcome your family here. You will not be having my support based on the policies that your party and your colleagues have continued with for years, where you talk about collateral damage. And this was encapsulated lately for me by Professor John Fitzgerald when he dealt with the Germany, saying we had a very housing crisis. And Professor John Fitzgerald said they were simply jealous, and our problems arose from a successful economy. And I think that's what you accept. The problems are collateral to a successful economy, and I fundamentally disagree with that. Today, as I speak, there are 13,841 children, people and children homeless directly as a result of your policy. Yesterday in Galway, 71 people were on trolleys. Less than a year ago, the HIQA visited Galway and said when there were 25 on trolleys, it was grossly overcrowded. None of these policies happened by accident. They are the direct result of year government, continuous governments, relying on a market, commodifying everything, and having no sense whatsoever as to what a republic truly means, and what public services truly mean, and what equality truly means. You're all waiting for the boats to rise with the tide. Nothing has changed as a result of COVID. Nothing has changed as a result of climate change, where we urgently require transformative change. They're not empty words. And when the former Taoiseach stands up, and the Taoiseach stands up today and talks about these problems being caused by outside events, you're totally wrong, and refusing to accept or look in the mirror and realise they're directly arising from your policies.